Morning, guys. I'm just doing a weekly analysis on GPJPY. Today is 18th of March 2019. I'm running a little bit late, few hours late, but I'm just doing my analysis now. So let's see what can we actually see on GPJPY. This is daily. This is daily on GPJPY here. So those are the markup I got here. There's a level of resistance there, which is at 49, and also major level is at 150. So for my direction is below 150 is sell. Below 149 is definitely sell. So around this is my sell zone. So if I see a touch of around 149, I will not be hesitating to sell. But right now, I'm actually looking to take a short position as well. For this, ideally stop loss is just above 150, because if 150 taken, then you know this structure is totally invalid. My setup is invalid towards sell. Until below, long as the price is below 150 is towards sell. And when I say towards sell, this is what I'm actually looking for towards sell. Let me get the pen out. Right, so this is what I'm looking for. This move, this is what I'm expecting to see. Around 146. Even if it's going to take 150, I think this is the move going to take place first, and then we probably see taking out this level. Or from there, if this structure break out of this structure, then we can expect this move here back to 142 area. So this is the level that every time we go short, this is the level we should be watching out for, because this is where we'll be expecting a bounce. So even if we sell it now, this is the area that we should be focusing on, which is 146, around 146, because it can't be 100% exact. So around this area, this is where if you can see the trend line here, this is respecting it. This is holding. But also what I'm noticing now is price struggling at this area. This is the area that I'm seeing the price struggling. And also, this is my sell signal candle. So around there, I'll probably set an order around this area here. So let's go into forwardly. That would make it looks much easier. If I can get forwardly, right? Let's go into forwardly. So that is basically my daily markup. So those are the zones that are marked up, and those are the areas that I will be looking to go short, and certain areas that I will be looking to go long. So this is the area. I'm just basically waiting for price to drop below 48 and candle close. If it's forwardly candle, I'll be looking to go short. Even here from there, with a stop around here, 149 area, and then I could possibly take a short position now and target here around this area. So this is what I'm actually looking for right now. This is what I'm looking for. I'm just waiting to see if the price drop below here, and then if the price closes, I'll be expecting something like that. And this move is not going to happen over a few hours. It could take a whole week to drop down here, because this is pretty much, you're looking at 300 pips there. So it could happen, because we've got voting tomorrow as well. So it could just drop a straight drop. So this is what I'm focusing on, this area here. As long as price stays below there, I'll be expecting this move. And even if it's going to rally all the way to the top, I'll be still expecting a price around 46 area, around this area here. anywhere around here, then we'll probably see back up. So below 49, I'll be expecting a strong pullback, at least a strong pullback. When I say strong pullback, around 150 to 200 pips pullback, and then rally to the top if it's going to. Otherwise, based on tomorrow's Brexit result, voting result, sorry, we could possibly see this move taking place. I still do think there's one more big push to the down left on GPJPY, and also there's enough space for this move here as well. So that is the reason the stop, if you're going to take short position, the stop has to be around just above, at least just above 149. Otherwise, you could get just stopped out, and then you probably see this move. So short position, I would say, place your, if you're going to take a position, stop is above 49, and then target 46, then 45. At least we need to get through this area first. Even if you get to there, that's 100 pips. So it all depends what's going to happen tomorrow. With uncertainty around, I am expecting that pullback to take place. So that's my view on GPJPY. Let's look for this is Euro USD. I still got a Euro USD position on sell. There's nothing really changed. It's exactly the same as my view, exactly the same as the last week. There's nothing really changed. We on Friday did try to take this area out, but price rejected again. So this is what I'm looking for. This move here. This is what I'm looking for. We could see this. If we get through this area here, this level there, then my long-term target of 108 is very much likely. So right now, our focus should be here. We like to see price closes below this area, around this area. This is what we like to see. Below 13, price closes below 13. Even tomorrow, daily candle, if we could get close below 13, then it's very much, we're going to see this move. It's very much towards this. Otherwise, we could see this one here, and then downwards. My view is still the same. At the moment, longest price below 1135, which is that around this area. My view is towards here. Even up to from here, my view is still towards the downside. So we could see a retest of this trend line here, and then towards the downside. I still do see on from daily, what I'm seeing is Euro USD still have one more strong push to the downside left. Price is struggling. It's trying to get, buyers trying to take the price up, but sellers jump back straight back in. So price action indicating there's momentum towards the downside still there. Buyers took control of this Euro USD as yet. It's still sellers in control. So we like to see this area. Our focus should be here, this area there, and we like to see price closes below here. Then target of this is very much so. So that is my Euro USD is set up is exactly the same as last week, guys. Nothing really changed as yet. Until price get above 14, then I would have to reanalyze the chart. Below 14 is my setup is sell. Below 150 is towards sell. So this is still my sell zone, and I am still expecting that downwards move. We'll find out next few days. But focus should be, is the price closing below 13? If not, then we possibly see that move towards 14. Even at 14, my direction is towards sell. So that's my view on Euro USD, guys. Gold is nothing really changed. My direction is on gold is still the same. Right now, was it on Friday? We had a rally to the top, but I sold it. Every time it rallies, I sell gold. So I'm still a seller of gold. What I was looking for is, I don't know if you go back 2 weeks ago, when I was waiting to sell around this area. It was around 13.8 to 13.11. That was the area that I was looking to sell from. But unfortunately, the move took place while I was sleeping, so I kind of missed my sell the area that I was looking to sell from. But early in the morning, I took a short position as well, just below 13.8, and then I got out pretty quickly. And then on Friday, late Friday, we see that a strong rally. Then price got rejected again, so that is more indicating at least we're going to see towards 1280. And my target is 12.6, 12.50, 12.60. This is the target level. My target level is that's long-term target. At least I am expecting one more push down towards this area here, somewhere around there. So that is the move that I am actually, the reason I'm holding gold on short is to get this. So that is what I'm looking for on gold. Gold, as I said, on Friday was pretty much almost biased to control. Was very close, biased almost to control. But within 4 hours, sellers took it back. So that is another indication of still sellers haven't given up yet. So I am still expecting the downwards move. So let's see. Just watch out for 1280, because this is where we could see a strong bounce as well. And if we get through 1280, then 1250, 1260 is very much so. So that's my view on gold. Is nothing changed from last week. And I am still on sell, and I'm holding my position.